What's going on? Mike Hobbs here. And yesterday on a Zoom meeting that we were on, one of my business partners went on to StreamYard and he live streamed an entire reaction video where he had a YouTube video pulled up and he was listening to it and doing his own reaction. And what ended up happening was the audio from him was working, but the video that he was playing, the audio didn't work. So his audience didn't hear what the video was saying, and he went through that entire video and the audio was off. So in today's video, I want to share the fix to this, how you can actually make sure your audio is good, and if you're doing a reaction video or you're sharing some kind of system sound, that is also sharing in your StreamYard platform. So I'm going to show my screen real quick. So this was the video he was playing, and he wanted to have his audience listen to this video and then him give his reaction. So in StreamYard, here's the fix. So first of all, you need to create a broadcast. So we're going to create a new broadcast, and I'm just going to send it to one of my profiles for right now. And then we're just going to do test, and create broadcast. So we're in the broadcast studio. Then it's going to ask for our webcam and our audio. So make sure you do that just like you normally would. So I just make sure my audio is good, make sure my webcam is selected. Everything is good to go. And then once that is good, then you're going to enter your broadcast room. Then you're going to add yourself to the stream. So make sure you're on there. And then here is where the trick is. So what he did is he actually clicked on share and he clicked share screen. And as you can see, he picked one of the windows or the entire screen. And you can do that with, you can pick a window or entire screen. But how you can actually share your sound in a Chrome is you have to click this Chrome tab. So then what you do is you click the Chrome tab, you choose the Chrome tab that has the sound. Then you'll see down here, there's that option that says share tab audio. So if you want to be able to share sound from your Chrome browser, you need to make sure you choose this Chrome tab. So if you choose entire screen or window, unfortunately you can't share the sound from that source. But if you click Chrome tab, and let's say you have the video playing in Chrome, so let's go ahead and share that. And there we go. And so now as you can see in my StreamYard platform, the video is right here. And if I want to resize this browser, just kind of a cool little trick. If you want to make it fit better, you can actually do so by doing this. I'm just resizing the browser. Another cool little trick is if you want this video full screen, you can just click on the little full screen button from there and then move this out of the way. And as you can see, there's still some black lines up there. And there's actually a StreamYard right here, this little one right here, picture in picture. You can throw that, and now you have the full screen video, and you have you in the corner. So this is a really cool format for reaction videos. And now when I play this sound, it's going to share the sound because I had it set that little share audio from Chrome tab. So that is the simple fix. If you are wanting to share audio from some other source, this is how you do it. And just make sure you choose that Chrome tab, and then you will be good to go. And trust me, this has happened to me before. I've gone entire videos without audio, so I totally get it. And today's video is all about solutions and how to fix different issues that you run into. So in this platform, StreamYard is an amazing platform that you can share your video all across all social media. And I'll have an affiliate link for StreamYard in the comments section and as well as the description if you would like to pick up StreamYard. They have a free level as well as a paid level. I love the platform. It allows me to broadcast everywhere, and they have some amazing features. And I have other StreamYard videos. I'll put a playlist to that above, and make sure you watch those if you want more information about StreamYard. Make it a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.